Hi everyone, thank you for your time today. My name is Van Balasundram, a solutions engineer here at Edgio. I advise customers on how they can take advantage of our leading edge technology and capabilities to deliver a secure, reliable and seamless experiences to their end customers across a variety of sectors, including but not limited to finance, education, media, advertising, retail, automotive and e-commerce. Today I will be speaking about Azure CDN for Edgio, a partnership that has gone from strength to strength over a number of years. So who is Edgio? Edgio is the combination of decades of innovation and dozens of patents across three separate companies, Edgecast, Limelight and Layer Zero, and was formerly known as Azure CDN by Verizon. It still might have some of that documentation online. It is also the second largest global CDN. Our CDN is built for high performance with global reach, thousands of interconnectivity to ISPs providing the speed at the edge. We provide best-in-class, easy to configure and manage enterprise-grade DDoS and WAP, which stands for Web Application and API Protection. Combining the performance and protection allows customers to increase productivity by enabling them to meet edge and security requirements within a single unified and consolidated platform where workflows can be streamlined. The key to our world-leading performance, as recognized by independent third-party performance metric providers, is our network. We have over 250 terabits of peak network capability globally, over 7,000 interconnections to other ISPs, and over 300 POPs across 6 continents. We also ensure that all of our services are truly available everywhere, and services are not just limited to certain regions or behind a highly tiered structure. Our POPs are designed with availability, resilience, redundancy and performance in mind. We deploy patented cutting-edge technology to ensure that we are able to serve content for all types and sizes of customers, ensuring, for example, that there is ample caching availability for large and small customers and nothing is pushed out of cache. We have edge request monitoring that can quickly and efficiently meet flood demands from end users by scaling servers to share cache within and across our global POPs. Edgio's use of IP Anycast technology means we can truly accelerate content delivery globally to any user on any device. Our Origin Shield enables all connections to the customer's origin to be routed via a single global or a set number of regional Edgio POPs. This protects the origin from flash requests, increases cache hit ratios, and improves performance. It also means customers do not need to over-engineer their backend capacity, saving expensive infrastructure costs. We use Anycast and intelligent routing to ensure services are delivered from the optimal POP with lowest of possible latency. We are also integrated to Azure Blob Storage with direct connectivity in key locations to reduce latency and offer zero-rated egress costs. Azure CDN from Edgio comes in 2 flavors, Standard and Premium. This lists some of the key features that are available under each, as well as some services that can be made available upon request, such as Origin Shield and real-time log delivery, to name but a few. Our premium offering, which we recommend to all of our large or enterprise customers, comes with full Rules Engine. Rules Engine enables customers to manage complex workflows and versioned caching policies. These custom configurable rules determine and define how our edge caches and grants access to the platform. For example, to uniquely manipulate TTLs, geoblock content, conditionally redirect customers, for example, forcing HTTP to HTTP URLs, but maybe not for certain devices such as legacy streaming devices, for example. We can also provide access control and much more. Premium also has a number of powerful reporting features, providing deep insights that customers can use to continually improve their performance. This slide further expands on the range of services and capabilities that the Edgio platform provides. A key feature to highlight is Quick, which was made official by the IETF last year in the standardization of RFC 9000. We also integrate to Azure Key Vault, which can be utilized to manage and deploy TLS and SSL certs. We will delve deeper into our multi-layer security and protection features over the next few slides. Edgio provides a holistic web security solution. We aim to protect the confidentiality of your data, the integrity of your systems, and the availability of your services. The sheer size of our network enables us to provide layer 3, 4, and 7 DDoS protection. Our PCI certification means we are compliant for customers to run banking and financial transactions services over our network and to their end users securely. Our 24/7 SOC means that the network is continuously monitored and customers have experts available to help with DDoS mitigation and security incident escalations. Our web application and API protection services, or WARP as they're commonly known, reside on the edges of our global network. This enables customers to have a consolidated, fast, reliable, and secure platform on which their key customer experiences can be delivered and built upon. The WARP layer includes our Stonefish DDoS protection engine, our own WARP engine utilizing not only industry standard policies and threat detection mechanisms, but also proprietary additional detection features developed over a number of years. We utilize machine learning modeling to continually analyze and update the ways in which we predict and mitigate against new threats. This diagram illustrates how we can mitigate against large DDoS attacks. Key to our DDoS mitigation is our Stonefish system, which continuously monitors the packets of data that traverses our network and scores them for threats and taking action automatically when needed. We mitigate DDoS attacks against thousands of our clients' web applications daily, including one of the largest in the world recently, targeting an Asian e-commerce client that lasted more than 30 minutes and peaked at over 350 million packets per second. Our IP Anycast network quickly spread the load across a wide geographic region and protected the end customer. All of this is software defined, requiring no special hardware and enabled on each and every one of our POPs. Our WARP protection is powered by our Waffles Engine. This engine was built from scratch by our engineers and purpose-built to be multi-tenanted with speed, scale, availability, and efficiency in mind from the outset. The design means real-time configuration propagation is natively supported based on industry standard formats. Apart from our homegrown WAF engine, another key element is creating a proper order of operations to run the WAF most efficiently and effectively. To accomplish this, a WAF runs in different layers of rule modules in the followed sequence. First is access control. All requests are filtered by a static set of customer configured allow, deny access lists. Then, rate limiting rules. Requests passing the access control rules are then tracked by the rate limiting rules. It tracks the request from each client within a time window specified by the user configuration. This is followed by the customer WAF rules. At this step, the WAF inspects the requests using various custom filters created by customers to detect and mitigate the request deemed unwanted. Next is the managed WAF rules. Any request reaching this stage is processed by the managed WAF's over 500 plus rules across Edgio's proprietary advanced application network and generic or WASP categories. Finally is the bot manager rules. Each request reaching this final step is served a browser challenge to detect automated clients or primitive bots. All requests failing to resolve the challenge are prevented from proceeding. One of the key and unique differentiators of Edgio's WAF is our dual WAF mode. Our platform can run two sets of rules against production traffic. The main profile will block unwanted traffic, whilst you can simultaneously run another profile in what we call Audit Mode, which means it is not blocking but only logging, where customers can see the impact of policy changes using live traffic. This enables, for example, new custom rules to be defined and applied in Audit Mode for zero-day attacks, quickly tested against production traffic and deployed to live within minutes. The same methodology aids in faster CI/CD deployments. Our dual WAF enables the ability to analyze faster against production traffic with new security updates. Means real-time reporting, including our real-time log delivery, can be readily integrated to existing SIEM systems to make faster decisions. And finally, rapidly respond and deploy new tested policies to mitigate new risks and threats. The end result of our industry-leading solution is that our customers can quickly respond to new threats with new policies that have been tested against production traffic without the introduction of new risks. Configuration changes are immediate and deployed globally across our infrastructure, key when tackling new threats. Thank you for your time today. I hope I have given you a high-level glimpse into some of the powerful ways in which Azure CDN from Edgio can truly help you deliver fast, reliable, secure experiences to delight your customers.